According to your bookmark size, draw a line, then cut it out. After that, draw a margin. With the help of a punching machine, make a hole. Highlight the margin with the help of marker. Now stick the tape to make a pattern. Here I am just drawing it randomly. Now apply glue. Now put glitter. You can use any glitter you want to. Here I am using golden glitter. After an hour, take out the tape. Now paint the left out area. Here I am using red color. You can choose any color you want to. Now fill the border. Here I am using black color. Now take woolen thread and with the help of your 3 fingers, the thread and tie it. After that, cut it from the opposite side. Just tie a knot, just like I am doing it. Now put it in the bookmark. Now take a thread and just tie it because it will look more attractive. Just like the previous one, cut and make a hole. Here I am putting blue color and just spreading it over with the help of a cotton. Now I am using light blue color. You can choose any color you want to. At the last I am using white color. Write any quote you want to write with the help of a marker. After that, it is just like the previous one. You have to just put it on your bookmark. Take an ice cream stick and paint it. Paint it both the side. Here I am doing doodle art. You can do anything you want to. Just like the previous one, paint it both the side and write any quote you want to write. Take a square craft paper and fold it diagonally. And now fold it from both the sides, just like I'm doing it. Now fold the inner part. Now put it inside it. Now fold it into half. Then draw a semicircle. After that, cut it out. It's just like the previous one, folded like that only. Here I have made some sticker. Now I will stick them